Picture your clearest memory, the one you'd swear is completely true. Now what if I told you that parts of it never actually happened? It feels impossible, doesn't it? Your memories feel like little videos. You press play and there's the moment, exactly as it was. But that's one of the biggest myths about the mind. Your memory isn't a recording. It's a story you rebuild from scratch every time you remember it. When you recall something, your brain doesn't pull up a saved file and replay it. It reconstructs the whole scene from scattered fragments. And wherever there's a gap, it quietly fills it in. With what usually happens, with what makes sense, with what you simply expect to be there. Most of the time, that's close enough, and the story feels seamless. But it means every memory is partly rebuilt and partly a guess. Think about a childhood birthday. You picture the cake, the faces, the room. But how much of that did you truly remember? And how much got stitched in later from old photos and stories you were told? A psychologist named Elizabeth Loftus spent decades showing how fragile this is. In one famous study, people watched a video of a car crash. Afterwards, she asked some of them how fast the cars were going when they smashed into each other. Others got the same question, but with the gentler word, hit. That single word changed the memory. The smashed group remembered a faster crash. Many even recalled broken glass, though there was none in the video. That's the misinformation effect. A question, a comment, a detail added afterwards can slip into a memory and quietly become part of it. But here's the part that really gets me. You'd think the huge, emotional moments would be safe, the ones that feel burned in forever. Psychologists call those flashbulb memories, like knowing exactly where you were when you heard some shocking piece of news. They feel sharp, detailed, and certain. So researchers tried something clever. They wrote down people's memories right after a major event, then checked back in with them years later. The memories had quietly drifted. Details had moved or changed completely. But here's the twist. People were just as confident as ever. The certainty never faded, even as the accuracy slipped away. So that vivid, certain feeling isn't proof. Confidence and accuracy are two completely different things. Your brain can be totally sure and still be wrong. And maybe that's okay. Your memory was never meant to be a camera. It's a storyteller doing its best to make sense of your life. So hold your memories gently, especially the ones you're most sure about. If that shifted something for you, follow Milo. There's always more to your mind than you think.